The next important topic related to Avogadro law is molar volume of gas at STP. Molar volume or volume of 1 mole of gas at standard temperature and pressure will have same volume. Let's see here. In the first vessel filled with 1 mole of argon, volume of argon is unknown, temperature is 273.15 Kelvin, pressure is 1 bar. Second vessel filled with carbon dioxide, amount is same 1 mole. Okay, volume unknown, temperature and pressure also same. Third vessel, nitrogen gas 1 mole, temperature is 273.15 Kelvin, 1 bar pressure. Okay, and this condition, temperature 273.15 Kelvin, pressure 1 bar, this condition is called STP. Okay, what is STP? Standard temperature and pressure. Temperature 273.15 Kelvin and pressure 1 bar condition is called standard temperature and pressure condition. Instead of Kelvin, can you convert to degrees Celsius? 273.15 Kelvin equal to 0 degrees Celsius. 1 bar, instead of 1 bar, we can write in terms of Pascal. In terms of Pascal, 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Okay, so this condition also called STP condition. Okay, so at STP condition, at standard temperature and pressure condition, what about the volume of 1 mole of gas? We know according to Avogadro law, volume of gas is directly proportional to number of moles. V is directly proportional to number of moles. Okay, all the case number of mole is same 1 mole. So volume also should equal to same value. Clear no? Number of moles is 1. So number of moles is directly proportional to volume. So number of moles is not changing. So volume also equal to a same value. Now let's see the volume of each gas at STP. The experimental values. Volume of 1 mole of argon at STP is equal to 22.37 moles per liter. Okay. At standard temperature and pressure, volume of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 22.54 moles per liter. Okay, 22.54. In the case of dinitrogen, volume of 1 mole of gas at STP is equal to 22.69 moles per liter. So let's check the values. Is there any big difference? No. Volume of all the gases are almost equal. Only a fraction of difference. Okay, only a small fraction of difference. Instead of these gases, if we are taking an ideal gas, 1 mole of ideal gas. What is ideal gas? The perfect gas. Okay, then for 1 mole of ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure, that is 273.15 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure, volume of 1 mole of ideal gas is equal to 22.71 moles per liter. Okay, and this volume is also called a molar volume. What is molar volume? Volume of 1 mole of gas. Volume of 1 mole of gas at STP, at standard temperature pressure, is called molar volume. Okay, what is the molar volume of carbon dioxide? That is volume of 1 mole of gas at STP, 22.54. What is the molar volume of dinitrogen? 22.69. For ideal gas, 22.71 moles per liter for a perfect gas. Okay, and this value is important, especially for numericals. Did you understand the topic molar volume? Okay, thank you.